Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can enter your focus mode inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? Now this is actually going to be applied to your PC, okay? But you can also look for the same settings or for the same key in your, Xbox or PS5, okay? If that's what you're looking for. Okay? Now, what focus mode is going to allow us to do is to actually see the parts of the enemy of the monster that we are facing that are most vulnerable, okay? Which is going to be very, very useful. Okay, and again, as I said, if you're playing PC, you want to press on Alt in here. Okay, and as you can see, we are going to have this, this crosshair here, which is going to allow us to see these red parts, which are actually most vulnerable. Okay, so that when we attack him, as you can see, we are going to inflict maximum damage. Okay, these are actually goons, by the way, which I show you how to create in previous tutorials also. Okay, so we're going to be able to attack these goons, just spamming the attack button, and we're going to be able to destroy them. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you can use the focus mode. Okay, thank you so much.